What's up, Spankers? Welcome to another fishing adventure with Trout Spankins. Coming to you from inside the Troots Cave. If you like topwater bass fishing, stay tuned. And if you don't, go to a doctor and get your head checked out. I don't know. In today's fishing adventure, I'll be having the best day of bass fishing I've ever had from the bank on topwaters. I'm going to be fishing a lake you've never seen me fish before, throwing a lure you see me throw all the time. I'm going to be catching them on the 6 Sense catwalk for a change, and Spanish bone. Very good Zara Spook style topwater. Walks the dog very easily, cuts side to side, very good. Kind of sits in the water, has kind of like a boat-shaped bottom to it, so it sits in the water a little bit better. Works very good under calm conditions and when there's a little bit of ripple on the surface. The strange thing about this fishing adventure is that the wind was blowing about 15-20 miles an hour to the point where I could barely even work this lure on the surface with my light line and light tackle, but the bass was still coming up and munching it. Now, it starts off as kind of a dink fest. Towards the end of the day, I do start to get into some better sized bass, keeper sized bass. Once again, Massachusetts, northern strain bass, not the biggest bass on earth, but definitely the best day of bass fishing I've ever had from the bank on the topwaters. So let's get into it and spank some topwaters.
Out here on this point, Papa Spankins used to hit some big bass out of this pond. I've never caught anything when I came here, but I've also never really put in a whole lot of time. There's not a lot of access from shore. There's like this place, and that's about it. I got a fish. No idea what it is, but it's a fish. It's a fish. Little bassy boy. That's what it appears to be. Yep. Little dinker. On the catwalk. Little dude. Cool. Off he goes. A little better. Little duder. A little tough with the wind to get the hook set, but catching fish. Got another one. Dang, topwater bite's on fire here. Is this another bass or is this a pickerel? Oh, it's another bass. Ate that son of a bitch sideways. Guess I should keep the fish grips on me. Nice little bass. Not bad. Little dude. Gotta have all three hooks in your down here. Hey, get out of here. Beat it. No. Kick rocks with no socks. Get out of here. Get. I want you. If I get hooked paying attention to you, your ass is grass, boy. Screw you. Get out of here. Nope, that way, you dumbass. Get. No. I think I might have blown this point up. Caught 7 or 8 bass out here. All small, but it's okay. Just over here in this giant nest of spiders, but that's okay. Got one. Not big, but it's okay. It's okay. He's water skiing. Always a sign of a monster. Stop. Stop it, Dingle. Don't shake, you frickin' turd. Looks like bass number 8 of the day. Little dinker. Off he goes. You know I normally don't toss bass like that, but can't get to the water, so don't have much of a choice. Got another one. Now this is a better one than the ones I've been catching. Come on, baby. Don't fail me now. Come on. This is a good fish. Fish. Smallmouth? It looks like a smallmouth. I didn't realize there were smallmouth in this lake. There are smallmouth in this lake. Okay. Cool bonus. Fun fact. This lake has smallmouth. Nice little smallmouth. Little bonus fish. Not very big, but I'll take it. Biggest fish of the day. Off he goes. All right, cool. You're liking the catwalk today, huh? Oh, that thing hit it right when it landed. This is probably a big fish. This feels like a good fish. Try to jump. Yeah, cool. Biggest largemouth of the day on the catwalk. Ooh, I gotta get these hooks out. He's got eyeball hooks. No bueno. I'm sorry, buddy. Cool. Nice bass on the catwalk. Hope I didn't do any damage to his eye. Looks okay. All right, cool deal. Back in the waters. Yeah, doing pretty good over here. Got the biggest ones in this spot. Always on the days where you least expect to catch fish where you have the best days. That one barely slurped it too. This might also be a good fish. Nope, he's water skiing. He's water skiing. Still, this is probably the best day of fishing I've had in a long time. Hey. Oh, he's a chubby little feller. Look at you. You've been eating good, huh, bud? Stinker. Right. Ooh, he got a little shiner tail sticking out of his gullet. You're a chubby fella, ain't you? Go back and get Big Bubba. Wonder if they're munching on herring fries. Herring do spawn in this pond, so once again, potential for big bass. Although I don't think it holds as much potential as the big bass pond. Still has potential. That is a big fish. Just took some drag. That is a frickin' tanker doodle. He's taking out drag. This is a good fish. This thing feels heavy. That's a good fish. What the fuck? That is a freaking monster, dude. Tank of a smallmouth, you guys. Boom. Boom. Let's go. Doink. Boom. Let's go. Hell yeah. Look at that, you guys. Nice smallie on the top water. Nailed that catwalk. Like 13th bass of the day, second smallmouth. Let's frickin' go. Let's go, brother. Boom, that's like a good 19, 20-inch smallmouth, you guys. Oh my God. Pretty sure that was a pickerel. Just by the shape of the fish, it looked like a pickerel. Oh, I don't think that was a big fish, so I'm not too worried about it. If I miss another one, I'll start to worry about it. That's 2 in a row. Couple casts right here, and I gotta head out. It's getting dark and stuff. Little dinker hit it before I had a chance to move it. Little one to end the day. Try to end it on a big one. Killing them on this catwalk today, boy, I tell you what. This feels like a little bit better of a fish than the last one. Cool. A little bit better one to end the day with. Oh, you son of a bitch. Last bass of the day. Nice little Larry. Boom. Off he goes. All right, that'll wrap that on up. Oh, who am I kidding? If there's fish hitting, I'm fishing. Another one. Off he goes.
Alright, Spankers, back in the trout cave. That's gonna wrap this one up. That was pretty easily my best day of bass fishing from the bank so far this year. In terms of numbers. Didn't catch any monsters, but definitely had the best numbers day that I've had all year. Started off with mostly dinks, then towards the end of the day caught a couple of kinda quality fish. One nice smallmouth and one nice largemouth. Caught them all on the 6 cents, catwalk, and Spanish bone. Kinda weird conditions for that bait. The wind was probably blowing a little too hard to be using it, but somehow the fish was still seeing it and coming up to the top and hitting it, so I'll take it. Pretty soon I'm going to be moving away from bass fishing and into trout fishing. Might still try and do a couple more striper videos before the end of the year. I can't do any canal videos. My wrist is blown out. I can't use the big 11-foot rod and catch 40-pound fish. I'll do it again next year, but for this year, my wrist is gone. I tried it a couple times, didn't work out, ended up laid up for the next 3 days with my wrist feeling like it was going to explode. So, taking it light for the rest of the year. Sorry, guys. Hope to see you on the next one. Keep on spanking them.